So let's use Swiper with Card Designer. In the past, both had some issues, compatibility issues. So let's add Swiper to the page, like so, and let's make a quick configuration. All right. And now let's add Card Designer. Structure and Card Designer. And let's configure a little bit. All right. So let's preview. Now, as you can see, Swiper is broken. There's no caption. The counter is broken too. But Card Designer seems to work okay. So what you do? Go to your page settings, and you can see the Swiper files are placed before Card Designers. You want to take the SF Swiper file and place it to the end of the attachments. And you can see that Swiper is working okay now.